This is a 16-hour, 8-minute print of some flowers that'll go on the wall of my wife's kindergarten class. It's a multicolor print. It'll be 4 colors. We're going to print in green, black, yellow, and pink. So this is flower number 1. We'll see how long the first layer takes. Might take upwards of an hour, but we'll see. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but this first layer is too close to the bed. See some wavy marks in there, some ripples. It's pretty common on this printer, unfortunately. The bed level was performed before this print started, but unfortunately we get a bad subpar first layer. Alright, I just stopped the print due to first layer issues here. Once it pushes this build plate out, we'll take a look at it. It's hard to tell with the black background and the black filament, but it's very rough, very rough. So the nozzle was dragging on that first layer as it moved over to the next flower. So unfortunately I will start again and hope to get a better bed level this time. Alright, this is what I'm trying to print, so let's go ahead and start it again. Yeah, it's unfortunate because it takes roughly 15 minutes to run through bed leveling, resonance compensation, and flow calibration, so hopefully it passes this time. Alright, try number 2, and that first layer looks so much better. I'm not sure if you can see night and day difference, so I'm glad I stopped the print rather than risking it and just going through with it. But yeah, that looks so much better. Alright, working on layer 2, and it's looking pretty good so far. Unfortunately, no color changes, and I'm gonna go to bed, so we'll have to wait till the morning to see how they look. Hopefully everything works out well. This print has 15 more hours, so I don't know what layer we'll be on when we check again in the morning, but we'll still have some color swaps to go, and so hopefully I can get some of those on film. Okay, I lied, and looks like we got a color swap before I went to bed. It's hard to see with the glare from the light, but it looks pretty good. We will check back in the morning for real this time. We'll have yellows and greens by then too. It's 6 or 7 hours later, and as you can see, we've got all 4 colors on here now. It's looking okay. We've got some stringing. I don't know if I'd call it stringing, but we've got some issues here with the yellow. You can see it here too, but overall it looks good.